In 80 CE, under Emperor Titus, two gladiators faced off in the Colosseum's inaugural games, Priscus and Verus. Their duel, immortalized by the poet Martial, was so fierce and evenly matched that the crowd erupted in disbelief. After hours of combat, neither man could land a decisive blow. But here's the twist: Titus took a rare, unprecedented step. He awarded both fighters the rudisa wooden sword, symbolizing freedom. This was astonishing, as gladiators rarely survived more than 10 matches, let alone earned freedom together. While tales of fake snoring are likely myth, gladiators did use cunning tricks, feigning weakness, exploiting crowd sympathy, or stalling to sway bets. Priscus and Verus, however, won purely through skill, and a crowd's roar so thunderous, even an emperor bowed to their will. Their story? Proof that in Rome, even slaves